Hello, my name is Josh Evilsizor, and today I'm going to do my very best to explain how Chrome apps are different from websites. It's going to be a little tricky, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so first off, Google offers us a definition of or an explanation of Chrome apps, and so we're going to use that as a starting point. There are two types, and those two types, the two types, apps that work like, one, websites, so for example, Gmail, Google Calendar, etc. All right, so right here, this is Google's first example. The next one is, aka SaaS, or software as a website, right? Software as a service. Sorry, I'll slow things down a little bit. All right, software programs on your desktop. That's the other explanation that Google gives us. Software programs on our desktop. Okay, well, great, Google. What's an example of that? Google Keep. Oh, all right, so Google Keep, which is also a software as a service that is also a website, is somehow different from Google or from Gmail. All right, well, I'll buy that. Let's keep going. Isn't Google Keep also a website? Yes, they are. And can't you reach SaaS websites from every browser? So do you have to be in Chrome to reach Google Keep or to reach Gmail? Because these are Chrome apps, right? Yes, you can reach these Chrome apps from any website. So they're not really Chrome apps, they're just apps, or actually software as a service. So SaaS websites, right? So wouldn't a better term just be apps? Perhaps. And is an app just short for software application? I bring that up because we use the word apps, which is I'm reminding us that it's a shortened version of the word software application, which covers a lot of things. And the answer, of course, is yes. So what's the difference? This is where my technical explanation of all this ends. For all the further technicalities you may desire about this topic, because I desire no more, there's a great visual by a guy named Curts that I ran across. It looks like this. It's a great breakdown of the three different things we're talking about here. His website, Control-Alt-Achieve, looks like this, and there's the words that go along with his explanation, and you should absolutely check that out if you're interested. At the end of the day, it's all software. So what is important to know, Josh? Why did you make this video? Great question. To access all your favorite SaaS, as you have been doing, keep doing that. And go to the URL to use that tool. Extensions add capabilities to your favorite SaaS, and add-ons add capabilities to your favorite SaaS. Finally, key here, two key things. Learn how to find and manage, number one. Number two, extensions and add-ons. So here's the key. Learn how to find and manage extensions and add-ons. I will explain that in much better detail in the next video, as I've said right there. And further reading down here below is the URL for Eric Curts' website that I shared with you. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please, of course, as always, like, share, subscribe, and ask questions if you got them. I'd love to answer them or make more videos about them. And please remember, in the description down below, this outline and how to reach me exists. And that's all we got for today. Hope this was helpful.